Are you having trouble with avascular necrosis and worried about needing hip replacement surgery? Do you know it can be treated in early stage and you won't need hip replacement in future? Introducing Ossgrow, the world's first bone cell therapy joint preservation technique. Ossgrow not only stops the disease from getting worse but also helps rebuild bone tissue, leading to a healthier hips. Approved by DCGI and FDA India, Ossgrow offers a safe treatment which is trusted by 4,000 patients. Ossgrow has been transforming lives for more than 13 years. And the best part, Ossgrow's treatment is reimbursed by major private and government insurance organizations, making it accessible to everyone in need. Don't let avian control your life. Choose Ossgrow and preserve your hips for a pain-free future. Don't replace, regrow. Contact us today to learn more about Ossgrow.